Wala.
Bong. Wait.
Ba-
Ba.
Bong.
Bong. Bong. Ma.
Marcos.
Huh?
Bongbong Marcos. B-O-N. Marcos.
Si.
Marpa. M-A-R. Marcos. Big yung M. Marcos. O-S. Yun. So, dito, how you should study ka daw, how you will show you love your country, study diligently, take care of the environment, save water, cooperate well, you help, don't show, clean, plant trees, walk across the street in the proper place, do not show litter, use restrooms properly, do not be annoyed, take care of the like street lamps, waiting sheds, so don't also vandalism. You know what's vandalism? What? Right on the walls.
What's
Yeah, bukas ulit natin ito continue the outer part.
Bong.
Wait, hindi pa. Meron ka pang nahigil ka nga. Patapos, ayaw ka na naman. Excited ka na naman sa mga ganun-ganon. Baka mo. Ito, environment. Ay, ano yun? Composed of land, water, air, and the people. Plants and animals living in it. What do you call that?
What?
Composed of land, water, air.
Land.
Hindi. Environment. Environment is our environment. This one, we have land, water, air, people, plants, animals. Okay? Oh, what do you call the dirt that is harmful to your bodies and you will get sick? It's called toxins. Toxins. It's called come from non-biodegradable. Like this. This is cannot be dito nabubulok. If you throw this, it will be still the same after how many weeks. So that's why if you throw it will become toxins also. How about biodegradables? Ano yung mga yun? What are examples of biodegradables? It can break down into living organisms. Nabubulok. Example. Give example. Ng mga nabubulok. Ha?
Pill.
Pillow. Fruits, vegetables, leaves. Yan.
Balloon.
It will become, this one, if you...
Bong.
Ha? No.
Pencil.
Biodegradable, yung mga nabubulok.